Well, it's a nice sunny Sunday afternoon. We've had a couple of days of yucky rain. This has all been lashed down, so we've done a good job of this. So what I'm gonna do is I've got the gurney up here, so I think I might give everything a bit of a wash down. Later this week, Rob and I are going to be working on fixing that capstan that goes up there. We're going to put the base plate for the Helm Station, and then once those are in, then we can look about painting the upper deck here, get the painter back. I've been slightly working on just little bits and pieces here there, just getting all the paint that's been just painted over the top of that water access hole there. And I put some paint stripper, just mild paint stripper, over all these bollards and stuff like that. But it hasn't done much, it's all washed off anyway, so I'll just gradually just do a little bit and just let it all come off, because it's stainless. I'm not too sure about those, but those they're stainless. So I got some soapy degreaser and stuff. I'm going to try that with the little cleaner here and see how I go. I'll just finish doing these. Well, I've given it a big gurney down. A bit of water got in there, but that's to be expected. Drippy. I'm going to seal that up tomorrow. So I try to keep people's feet off here, boots and stuff, because that's got to get rubbed back again, and this is got to be done. So rust build up in there. All these corners need to be rubbed back anyway, because it's all got bad daddies. He hasn't cleaned it properly, prepped it properly. So he's still got to do those. I'm going to rub these back to stainless steel, because you can't see them. If they're all white, you just keep on hitting your foot on them, and it hurts like buggery with bare feet. Anyway, not that I would know. Australian slang, swearing. So that's it. I think I'll let it dry off a bit now. Might open some hatches. Got fine weather for this next week. Great. Go for it. So we're just lining up the new base plate on the bottom of the Helm Station. Do you want the other two bottom screws or something? No. Little line out good? Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, we brought this upstairs, so we're trying to figure out positionally where the best place to put it. I think it's got to be on this side of because it's leaning forward. And I think that's what he said. So if I lift it, so how's that work? I think that's better. So you come up, at least you got something to grab onto, come around. Good access to those things. Looks like it's got to come this way a little bit though, doesn't it? Because it's looks a bit, oh, but there again, that doesn't really matter, because you got to walk around this way mainly to get to the down here anyway. So it wouldn't even matter if it was slightly off center. I don't mind that, actually. You know what I'm saying? So you still get around either way.
It's not that far off anyway.
So for me, because of my
girth. What about the wheel? Where does that come to? About here?
Yeah. So you don't want it You could even come a little bit more forward, I think.
How's that?
Yeah, that's not too bad, because if you come forward, that sort of gives you more rear space here. I don't mind that. What do you reckon, Rob?
Yeah.
I'm just
Styled.
no. Well, I'm trying to get a feel of getting around something, because the further forward you go, the better access you got. You need space to walk around. That's pretty tight through there for me. Let's come back a little bit. Yeah, I think that's all right. Because there's enough space to... You don't want to be leaning backwards all the time just to get past something, do you? Well, you still do.
That's pretty much center too, compared to where the old one was.
Just seeing how it feels like when you're walking past. Geez, there's not much width there.
It's the one and only time Tim ever does anything. He's normally sitting in the cabin barking orders.
There you go. I just thought of something. I've got it cut out. So that's good. That's dangerous. Get rid of that. So walking around. That's not too bad. I think that's good. That's about as best we can get it. Because you want to have space around here for the table and stuff. And clear flow through there. Yep, I think that's pretty good. I think we'll stick to that. Zoom back out. Okay. Okay, this is what we've achieved this morning. Rob's cut all that out. We're about to tack weld that in. I did some cleaning all that back and rust proofing it, cleaned a few areas up inside there. So we're about to have a looksy chooksy at that. A big gap down the side there, eh?
Yeah. But it's that roll we were talking about where your footy is?
Yeah. Well, I don't think the deck's... Okay, looks good. Let's do it. Yep.